Hello students and friends. Today topic is straight line in 3-dimensional geometry. What is straight line? We can define it. Every equation of first degree in x by z represent a plane. The two equations of plane together represent a straight line. Equation of straight line through 2 points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 are the direction ratios of a line whose points are x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. Second, symmetrical form of a line through points x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to a plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. Two planes ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 and a dash x plus b dash y plus cz dash c dash z plus d dash equals to 0. These are two planes. X minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. Again repeat, ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0, that is first plane. A dash x plus b dash y plus c dash z plus d dash equals to 0, that is second plane. Represent a line or straight line or symmetrical form of straight line x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c, where ABC are direction ratio, and straight line passing through 2 points whose formula is this. That is the main formula of straight line. And next question, based on this form, symmetrical form and other forms. Find the coordinate of the point question, so that the distance of point of intersection of the line x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 4 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 2, and plane x plus y plus z equals to 17 from the point three, 4, 5 is 3. In this statement of this question, we find out the distance of the intersection of the line and the point. Solution: line x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 4 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 2. The line passes through point 3, 4, 5 equals to R. Say points P, R plus 3 to R plus 4 to R plus 5 lies on the plane, on the given plane. X plus y plus z equals 17, R plus 3 to R plus 4 to R plus 7, to R plus 5, 17, 5R, 5, 9, 12, 5R equals to 5, R equals to 1, point P, 4, 6, 7, another point A, 3, 4, 5, distance of 2 points A and P by distance formula: 4 minus 3 square, 6 minus 4 square plus 7 minus 5 square, 1 plus 4 plus 4, distance 3. That's all. That is the solution of this question.